I am really excited to share this meal delivery service kit with you guys because I loved everything. Hey guys, my name is Vanessa and today I am sharing with you guys another meal delivery kit. Now this one is every plate and oh my goodness, the dinners were delicious. So I'm really excited to finally be able to share this with you guys. We had them over the past week. And actually the last meal we had on Mother's Day and my husband cooked it. He wouldn't even let me cook it. I was like, I need to film it. And he was like, I don't care. It's Mother's Day. Sit down, film what you need to, but I'm making it. So that was really nice of him to do that. So you guys will see that I filmed a little bit of all three meals, how they turned out, and they were really good. So I am going to take you to the computer first and show you guys what their website looks like. All right, so here is every plate, and it even says America's best value. This one was the cheapest out of everything that I ordered, and I got 3 meals, 3 dinners. So I did the dinner for 4. They do just have these 2 options. Dinner for 2, 3 recipes, 2 servings per recipe. I did the dinner for 4, which was 3 recipes, 4 servings, and this was enough because actually the meals that I got, we only fed 5. My oldest daughter is vegetarian. She does not eat meat, so she ate something else for dinner for these kits, but my younger 3 ate with us. So I did this one. I'm gonna go ahead and click on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to where I can show you guys the meals. All right, you guys, so I obviously have already made these, so it shows that I've already gotten them, they were delivered, all of that good stuff, but these were the ones that I chose. Now, it does let you choose from more. So you get quite a few options, and then you pick the 3 that you want to try. So I have these options set for the next week, which I am skipping because I have another one that I am going to be doing, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys everything. So there's a spicy honey butter chicken. Oh my God, these just look so good. This is definitely one that I will use again. I really enjoyed it. The only downside is that their largest option was a family of 4, and we are a larger family. We are a family of 6. All right, you guys, so before I go into the box, how it came to me delivered and what it was packed like, and then me making the meals, I wanted to let you guys know that I do have a code down below if you guys want $20 off your first set, whether you're doing the Feed My Family of 2 or 4, the $20 is good for either one. And I am gonna have to look up because their website doesn't just show, it says $4.99 a meal, but that $20 off is going to bring that down, obviously. So I'll have in the description what I actually paid. I'm gonna have to look it up. And of course you guys can't see my personal information. So I will have it in the description so you guys can see what I paid total. But let's get into opening up the box and showing what these meals, how easy they were to prepare and how good they were once we ate them. My every plate has arrived. It is really stormy outside, so I'm so glad that it did not delay my order. That was awesome. But in this box, I am supposed to be getting, let's see, on my meal plan here, we're supposed to be having honey glazed pork chops, roasted broccoli potatoes, chicken sausage penne with zucchini and chili oil, and Swedish spice meatballs with roasted carrots and mashed potatoes. I am so excited about this box. So let me open up and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Okay, on the very top, this is packed really well, it seems like. The very top, it has, let's see, welcome to every plate. And it just tells me a little bit about everything on here. On the back. And then, oh, here's my recipes. Awesome. So I get to keep these, and if I want to recreate it on my own, I can do that. So here's the chicken sausage penne. Yum. Here's the honey glazed pork chops. We are actually having this tonight. And then the Swedish spiced meatballs. Great. So let's see. Just going to open this up. All right, so I'm going to peel or pull all of this stuff out. Just trying to show you guys how it looks in the box here. and then lay it out on the counter so you could see it a little better than it just being jam-packed in this box. Okay, so before I fully unpack everything, I wanted to show you guys how it came. So this bag was sitting right on the top, so I definitely see that all 3 meals are just mixed together. It's just all the ingredients are here. So I've got a bag, I've got a box, and then my meat was in between 2 of these gel refrigerant packs. So I just wanted to show you guys how they packed everything. And this is frozen solid. So if you did get this delivered while you were at work, I feel like if you came home right after work, even if it was delivered in the morning or the afternoon, that your items would still be fine for you when you got home from work. So let me go ahead and spread this out and show you guys what everything looks like. So I'm not gonna go over every single little item because we will do that when I am making the recipes, but here's everything that was in that little baggie. So all your extra items like honey and sour cream, they came in little tubes, exactly the amount that you need. I've got my fresh items and produce, some cheese. I left the potatoes in this box for now. That is a lot of potatoes. And then noodles and the meat. So I've got the pork chops, chicken, sausage, and then ground beef. So that is everything that came out of my box. And we are going to be starting out with the honey glazed pork chops.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't have a plan and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. So you think you were right? Bring it on, prove me wrong. Go put up a fight. The way I do will knock you down. You know there's an ocean between us. Don't cry about it. Don't cry about it. You want me to take you I'm wearing you out. Keep on keeping on every night. Way up in the clouds. Where do I knock you down? You know there's an ocean between us. Don't go cry about it. Don't go cry about it. You want me to take you in my trust. Oh no, you know that ain't the way. Oh no, there's nothing new in this game. You got to give it up, give it up. But you got to give it up, give it up. You got to give it up, give it up. No, 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 give it up, give it up. You know there's an ocean between us. You want me to take you in my trust. You got to give it up. You know that ain't the way. It ain't the way. Oh no, 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 no. There's nothing new in this game. You got to get it. You got to give it up, give it up. But you got to give it up, give it up. You got to give it up, give it up. No, 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 give it up, give it up. You got to give it up, give it up. Give it up, give it up. Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream. So you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna
3 dinners that I chose from Every Plate, and they, like I said, all 3 of them were really, really good. The only one that my younger 3 weren't huge fans of, and actually one of them were, my daughter Pearl eats anything. She's like the least pickiest person, not just child, but person I've ever known. She has a better palate than a lot of adults that I know. But my other 2 younger ones, Rose and Bryce, are not huge fans of spicy stuff, and the chicken sausage penne with the chili oil was a little bit too spicy for them. So I did give them a little bit of extra food on the side after they had probably 5-6 bites or so, and then they were just like, this is too spicy, Mom. So just wanted to let you guys know that all of them were super kid friendly. It was just that spice on that dish that they couldn't handle. So just depends on what your kids like or not. But I was really excited to try this one after seeing the price. Going forward, Every Plate was the cheapest. So I just wanted to let you guys know that this one was the cheapest, and I personally will use them again because I feel like their meals were delicious and it has given me inspiration to create my own. You get to keep the recipes, so if I wanted to go to the store and make those on my own, I could totally do that. None of the ingredients were weird. I'll be able to find everything, so that was nice. But if you guys liked this review, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.